Hey everyone, so today we have a 16-inch hexagon canvas and we're going to be using our little funnel measuring cup. I use the funnel just to measure how much paint we'll be doing. So when we pour this, it kind of comes out like a kiss pour because it's separated and the colors flow together. So it's kind of neat the way that it comes out. So today we're going to be using Craft Smart Seamus Pearl, and I'm sorry if you hear yelling. My neighbors are mowing next door. Grumbacher Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue, Craft Smart Native Turquoise, Soho Phthalo Green Blue, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put the bronze in it yet, but this is a Craft Smart Deep Bronze. I may put it next to this. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so let's start with, let's start with the Seamus Pearl. And I did not spray this cup first, because Alan loves to wash cups. I'm just kidding. Grumbacher Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue, Native Turquoise, this is a metallic, Phthalo Green Blue, and I think I will put some bronze in there, but not a lot. And then I want to go back. I think I'm going to go back the opposite way. We have pretty good luck when we do that. And then the Seamus Pearl. Alright, let's see what we get. We have about 9 ounces of paint. Should be enough to cover this canvas. I am making circles though. All right, let's torch. Now remember, these all have silicone, so we're going to have cells. I see something in my paint, and I want to get it before we stretch. I should try one of these with the cloud paint. That'd be cool. Alright, so we're going to start taking it off the edges because we have so many. We have 6. I'm not sure I'm liking this. will be pretty when it's dry though, because it has those metallics. My voice is so rough today, I'm sorry. Most of you know I'm probably filming before I leave for New York, so I'm still sick. Hopefully it'll be all better when I get back. I kind of like this though. I think it's going to dry really cool. I definitely have the bronze in there in spots, but it's not overwhelming, which is good because it definitely would have muddied up on some of the colors. Let me give it a torch and see if we get anything different. This would also make a great background for something too. But I don't see enough contrast. We only have that one spot there. But I kind of like it though, because it kind of looks like a hurricane. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it alone and let it dry and see how it dries. And then I'll show it on a Monday night. I can probably show it Monday night because we'll be back. But I'm going to leave it alone. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell. You'll get notified when we upload our next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If it's just too green, or, you know, everything's going to dry so much darker and these light colors will stay light. So it may be very pretty when it's dry. Check out our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse, and my art page on Facebook as well, Christina Welch Art. And also join us on Etsy for shopping for jewelry and paintings, and shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. If you're looking to get the Stone Coat resin, our code is below. Our fan mail box is below. Our PayPal link is below if you want to donate to the channel. It helps us buy supplies. And our next auction will be in the middle of July, so watch for that. We'll probably have about 30 or so paintings. And join us every Monday night. We're live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time right here on the channel. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll keep you posted on this one. I definitely think we're going to see a lot of change in this one when it dries. And I will be showing that very soon. So have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.